only have sex after marriage.
Oh, Vince.
Hindi ko kaya.
Fun fact, the ancient Egyptians, time na Queen Cleopatra arrived, and they don't have a word for virginity. Because it was just, hindi siya concept.
So would you still stick with that person even if ganyan yung sexual relationship ninyo? Hindi kayo nag-enjoy
Diyan
every
napapasok kung gaano ka-important yun sa'yo. Meron talaga ang perfect nung date. As in, parang they jive on everything. They can communicate, ganyan. Tapos nung nag-sex na parang hindi lang talaga siya nag-enjoy. At hindi ibig sabihin nun I love you less or hindi ako masyadong na-attract sa'yo. Sadyang hindi lang tayo swak.
Yung mga bagay na gusto mo sa sex, kailangan mo rin sabihin mo sa partner mo.
Totoo.
Hindi naman automatic
yeah.
yun na alam
niya
agad.
Sex talaga. Proven yan na nakaka-solve ng mga problema.
Tried and tested yan.
Tried and tested yan.